I've been exploring the US Bank Cash Plus secured Visa credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review of it. I'll walk through the key features, potential downsides, and important things to consider, so by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how this credit card actually works. The US Bank Cash Plus secured Visa credit card is designed for people who want to build or rebuild their credit without completely giving up rewards. Since it's a secured card, you'll need to place a refundable security deposit, typically starting at around $300, which then becomes your credit limit. Like most secured cards, the main goal here is credit building, but US Bank tries to make the experience a little more rewarding. One of the biggest highlights is the customizable cashback structure. Cardholders can choose two categories that earn 5% cashback on the first $2,000 in combined quarterly purchases. Options often include things like streaming services, fast food, or home utilities. On top of that, you can pick a 2% category such as gas stations, grocery stores, or restaurants, while everything else earns 1% cashback. For a secured card, that's genuinely competitive. Most cards in the credit building category offer little to no rewards, so having control over bonus categories is a nice advantage. Another positive is that the card reports to all three major credit bureaus, which is essential for building credit history. If you use it responsibly and pay on time, it can help establish a solid payment record. US Bank may also review your account over time to see if you qualify for an upgrade to an unsecured product. With that said, the card isn't perfect. The biggest drawback is the annual fee, which sits at $25. While that's not huge, it's still a cost some competing secured cards avoid. The bonus categories also require manual selection every quarter, which can be easy to forget. And because this is still a secured card, your credit limit depends entirely on the deposit you provide. Another limitation is that approval can be a bit stricter compared to some entry-level secured cards, since US Bank tends to look at your banking history and credit profile more closely. Overall, the US Bank Cash Plus secured Visa credit card stands out in 2026 because it combines credit-building features with real rewards flexibility. It's not the cheapest secured card out there, but for someone who wants both cashback and a path toward better credit, it can be a surprisingly solid option. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.